How to use the Venmo application to pay your rent, to pay your rent where you live. So this is how you can exactly do it. You just need an active Venmo account to do this thing and follow the steps how to use Venmo. Firstly, sign into your Venmo account. Open Venmo. It's a light blue application with white V on it. So you must be aware of it. You just need to sign into your account using your email ID and your password. Now, after logging into your account, sign up with email as you can see on the screen as well. So, to sign in, you just have to select your email address and then you have to follow the on screen instructions to go ahead. Now, just enter your details, sign into your account, and then the next step will be simply log in to your account. After logging in, you're gonna see a huge menu like enter your account details, like Facebook. For email, you can use any of your base account to connect with your main account here. Wait for Venmo to load your account. It will show you your balance, your transfer detail, your transaction history, and all that details there. But you have to click on this left top of the screen option called three lines here. Skip the step if you're on the Venmo desktop website. Go on the setting, then simply click on payment methods on the second preference you're going to see on this like this. Here you will see the balance you have in your Venmo account, payment method, like you can see the payment made. Here you can click on add bank or card option from here. Then again click on add bank. Then you have to enter your bank account details. You have to enter the amount you want to add to your Venmo account and then the amount you want to transfer to anyone through your Venmo. This is how you can add it. Select your bank, enter the details, click on the amount setting, enter the amount you want to add, then simply send it to the people you want. This is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching the video and please subscribe to channel as well. Keep watching, keep loving.